What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a little unboxing for you. Yes I do. If you are a returning subscriber then you already know what we're about to say, okay? Yes, and if you're not, definitely subscribe to my channel, okay? I know you're going to do it, maybe in like 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. That way you know what we sing over here on my channel every time we have an unboxing. Okay, so let's hit it. 1, 2, 3. It's that time again. It's that time again. It's that time again. I am so excited to unbox this box right here that you see. Yes, it's from LV. Yes, you probably guessed it. I don't know if I'll be including it in the title or not, but I most likely will be because just why the heck not? I'm so excited to unbox this. Okay, so we might as well just get straight into the video because this is the first impressions. It just arrived this morning and I haven't opened it. Okay, so I've seen images online. It's a new item. So you know what it is. I'm too excited to waffle, so let's just unbox. It did come with a little envelope, and mind you, this is the first time I've actually received like all my receipt and stuff in this cute little envelope, so that's kind of nice. And so I'm guessing it came from a different warehouse. Anyways, okay. She didn't come with a ribbon. Oh, I know it really doesn't matter, but it's like just the little things. The little things matter, okay? But anyways, here's the box. Ah! I can't believe it. I can't believe it's here. Okay, let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. Oh, and by the way, first of all, I've never seen a box this size, like ever. Never seen a box this size, so this is new. But, oh my god, you can see it! Oh, it's so cute! One second. Here is the newest addition to my little family. It is this dust bag. Honestly, they should have made it a little bit bigger. I mean, look at this. It's like, cannot close. This is a dust bag, and it is the, wait, let me make sure my hands are nice and clean. It is the Miss Nano! Oh my goodness! Oh, let me come in a little bit. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? I can't. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. It's so cute. Okay, let me quickly just give it a once over just in case like it's going to be a return item, which I highly doubt. But you never know. Let me give it a once over and I'm going to come back in 2 seconds. Oh, it's such a cute little thing. Oh my gosh. Like I can literally fit it. I can fit it in my hand. Look at that. It's such an incy spider. Oh, it's so cute. It's a bit difficult to open with one hand, I must admit, but okay, hang on. So here she is. She has a little care booklet in there. The cards and a skew. It says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. So this one is made on the 20th week of 2020. So yes, and it's made in Italy. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to change shot so you guys can get a closer look at the Nice Nano. And then we're going to test out what fits inside this little cutie right here so you guys can kind of figure out if it's something that you guys want in your collection or not. So let's go ahead and change angle really quickly. Alright guys, here it is in its finest glory. Absolutely adorable. I'm trying my best not to touch the vachetta because I don't want to get my sweaty hands to, you know, leave any marks on the vachetta. But here we are. Absolutely cute. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it down and open it up so you guys can see the interior and see what the inside looks like. And there we go. That is literally the size that we're dealing with. There isn't a lot of space at all in this little Nice Nano. I mean, hang on a second. I've never seen something so adorable, honestly. Ah, yes. First of all, I'm going to give you some dimensions really quickly. So the length of the Nice Nano is 5.51 inches. The height is 4.02 inches, and the width is 3.35 inches. Okay, so as we can see, we have the monogram canvas cowhide leather trim. We have the washable coated inside. We have gold hardware, which is in very good condition as well. I mean, it's brand new, so it should be. It does obviously have the top handle up here, as you can see. And yes, so those are the measurements. Now let's go ahead and add some items in there. Oh, but before we do that, I'm quickly going to show you a card wallet. So you can see the size comparison. So here I have my reverse monogram card holder, and I'm just going to pop it on top so you can see the difference. There is not a very big difference. Let's move it to one side just so we can see properly. There we are, that is the difference. This is the reverse monogram card holder, and that honestly is the difference. Okay, let's throw in one more item here. I'm going to add in, for comparison, my kirigami in the medium size, which is this one. This one is pretty much a good... They are very close in size, very, very close in size. I would say this kirigami is slightly bigger. Let's try it this way. They are pretty much the same size. And now we will do this. The kirigami is just ever so slightly that much bigger. Can we see? So it really, honestly, it is so tiny. So tiny. This is my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I just want to show you a quick comparison to this as well. My iPhone 11 Pro Max is indeed bigger than the Nice Nano. That's how small we're talking. Now let us bring in the iPhone. I think this is the 6. As you can see here, this is a perfect size. In fact, we'll probably be able to fit this inside this Nano right here. It is definitely a bit of a two-hand moment to open this for sure. Before I put anything inside it, I do want to show you the inside and just note one thing. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but here there's a lot, like it's very puffy. And it's the same in the bottom, like it's puffy down there. Like you can actually push it down and you can see that it's like got air in there, essentially. That's what it feels like. So I don't know if that's because it says like extra canvas, or if it's, I don't know if they're all just like that or if it's mine or what the deal is. I don't really know. But I'm just showing you guys so you can see that. That is one thing that I'm a bit like, okay, or is it because it's so small that when they stitched it, it created that balloon looking situation. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna pack it as if I was taking it out with me with some daily makeup touch-ups that I need, as well as my card holder. Let's just say I was making a quick run to the shops or something. So first of all, I would add in my card holder like that, which fits very nicely. I'm then going to go in with my foundation, which is the Chanel Le Beige. This fits, you know, like really good. Absolutely snug. Oh, I'm going to try add in my bronzing cream. You know what, actually, let me see if I can, let us see if this will fit in. So it does fit in like this, but whether you can fit much else is a different question. So what I might do is try and put this on its side and see if that will close. Okay, great, it will close. So I have a bronzer. I'm gonna put my Le Beige foundation and I'm gonna put the card holder back in like so. Let's see what else we can fit in. Maybe some sunscreen can slip in like that. Let's go ahead and attempt to add in a powder. This is a Charlotte Tilbury favorite powder ever. Okay, so in terms of width, I think we've reached the maximum right there. Add in a hand cream, because, well, why not? Okay, maybe we put it like this. And lastly, or second to last, we will add in a lipstick. Oh my god, it's it's okay. Maybe let's add in the lipstick first. Add the cream in like that. And of course we need a little spray to spray during the day. So I'm going to add in my travel size Tom Ford perfume, which we might not actually be able to fit in. I don't know. Let's attempt to close this. Okay, so it does close. It is definitely at maximum capacity here. I can see like it doesn't like it over here. So personally, I wouldn't have this much in there. But so I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this stuff out. Yes, that feels much, much better. And there we go. She is snug, good to go. I love it. I mean, I think it fits just enough. It is a little heavy, not gonna lie. So I don't know if I actually carry that many stuff in here, but I think if you did want to take this outside of the house, it would be perfect to carry your daily essentials and things that you just kind of need. And if you did want to keep some touch-ups and stuff like that, or just bring it in the car with you as a quick grab and go. So let's quickly take out the stuff so we can remember what we've put in. So we have the hand cream, I have my bronzer, I have my sunscreen with me, of course. I have a touch-up perfume for during the day. I do have a card holder in here for when we need to, you know, buy some more luxury. I have a full-size foundation here. And I have my lipstick right here, which we can also touch up during the day. So as you can see, those are all the items that I can actually fit in here comfortably. Again, I will show you this full-size foundation in comparison to the Nano, so you can see that you could definitely fit in your foundation. Just really quickly though, I want to show you my Fenty Beauty foundation that I use, which is the hydrating one, and this one, let's have a look if it can fit inside. This one's pretty long. Yes, as you can see, you could fit it in if it was, you know, on a slope like that. So maybe you could fit in other items and then slope it in. But in terms of this full width, you could do it like that, but it's not all the way at the bottom. So honestly, this size item is the maximum. If anything, this is actually a little bit too big to fit nicely at the bottom unless you're pushing it in. So this is the best size item for me to show you in order for you to see what can actually fit inside. I believe this is the iPhone 6. I mean, it's one of my iPhones from a long time ago, so I can't remember. But let's go ahead and put the iPhone in. This time we'll just add a powder to touch up. Or you could add in a lip balm or whatever it is that you would like to use and travel with. So as you can see, yes, you can definitely fit an iPhone 6 in here, should you wish to. iPhone Pro Max 11, even though I'm pretty sure it's not going to fit in here. So yeah, as you can see, it's not going to work. Not at all. Not even this way, not this way, not this way. It's not going to work. So okay, so there we have it. You can see what fits inside this beautiful little vanity case. What I'm going to do is close it up. Now, this Nice Nano doesn't come with a strap of its own, which is, you know, a shame if you are somebody who did want to wear it out. But essentially what you could do is add some D-rings over here and add on a strap should you wish to do that. So what I'm going to do now is show you some body shots. So this is my strap right here, which is from my Vogue Yard. I will quickly just try and clip it onto the Nice Nano so we can see whether, you know, if we did want to, we would be able to use it. Essentially, it is a little bit of a tug, but you could definitely get this larger ring on the Nice Nano for sure. So, you know, you have the straps that have the smaller ring on it. I definitely don't think that you would be able to get it on with those. Of course, if you had D-rings, it would be so much easier. Okay, so there you have it. I've put on my strap. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some body shots so you guys can see what it looks like on. Essentially, here it is. I don't know if I would personally use it like this because I don't actually know if I plan on using it outside of the house. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have the Nice Nano on my strap right here. I'm trying my best to show you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on right now and show you some mod shots so you guys can get a better idea of what it looks like on the body if you did have it as a crossbody function. Okay, so there it is. It is so cute. Oh my god. I love it. You can see there it is on the body. It kind of comes on the midline section. These are high-waisted, so my hip is actually here. So there you go. That's where it drops with this type of strap, which is at its maximum level. This strap does also go to a shoulder length, so I'll show you that in just a second. But for now, I think it's so cute. So as you can see, there it is on the body. I think it's so cute. It's stunning, honestly. Oh, yes. I mean, can we just... Like, how cute is that? I really do like it on the body, I'm not gonna lie. Ah! So nice. Don't you think? I mean, come on. Of course, you can hold it just like this as well if you did want to do that. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute! Okay, so I just turned my strap over so you guys can see it with a little pop of colour. I think it's so cute like this as well. It definitely adds a bit more character to the little Nano here. So here it is when I shorten my strap to the shoulder length like this. So essentially you could throw it over the shoulder if you wanted to. My only issue with that is if you obviously put your arm down, then you would crunch it a little bit. So I don't know if I recommend that, but I did want to show you that, of course, if you had a strap that can do this, then you can go ahead and do that as well. I don't think I personally will, but it was worth showing you guys what it looks like. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the video right here. Here is the newest edition, which is the Nice Nano. As you can see, she's so cute, adorable, love everything about it. If you guys want more details or anything like that, then definitely let me know in the comments down below. But as for now, I've shown you what can fit inside. I've shown you the bag itself. So any questions that I haven't thought about, then let me know. Of course, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, then definitely do that. I would appreciate it. And I will be doing a giveaway soon as we get to 1K followers on my YouTube. So stay tuned for that. But for now, me and my Nice Nano are going to love you and leave you and see you guys in the next video. Of course, as always, if you hadn't had enough, then click the video that's going to pop up on the screen over there. And if you have had enough, then I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.